Understanding cargo storage, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrases cargo and storage. These terms are commonly used in English, especially when talking about transportation and logistics. Let's dive in and understand what they really mean. Cargo refers to goods or products that are transported from one place to another. This can be done through various means such as ships, airplanes, trucks, or trains. Cargo is usually commercial goods, which means they are part of business transactions. Understanding cargo is essential in industries like shipping, trade, and logistics. The term storage refers to the action or method of storing something. It's about keeping goods, items, or data in a specific space or device for future use. Storage can be temporary or long-term and is crucial for organizing and preserving items. This concept is vital in areas like warehousing, computing, and everyday life. When we combine these terms to form cargo storage, we're talking about the place or method used to keep cargo safe and secure until it is transported or used. Cargo storage can be in warehouses, containers, or any space designated for holding goods securely. This concept is key in logistics and supply chain management. To better understand cargo storage, let's look at some examples. Containers on a cargo ship. These are used for storing goods as they are transported across oceans. Warehouse storage, where cargo is kept before distribution or shipment. Refrigerated storage, specialized storage for perishable goods like food or medicine. I hope this video has helped clarify what cargo and storage mean, especially when used together as cargo storage. Remember, these terms are essential in the world of transportation and logistics. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English language learning content.